Hey everyone! I want to show you something I built over the last few days. Not just an app, but the entire pipeline behind it. This is PulseWatch, a website uptime monitor, and every single piece of its infrastructure is provisioned and deployed automatically. The project structure. Here's the project in VS Code. 3 main folders: App, which is the actual Express backend and React frontend; Packer, which builds a machine image with the app baked in; and Infra, which is Terraform. That's what actually provisions everything in AWS. What happens on push? The whole point of this setup is that I don't touch the AWS console to deploy. I just push code. Watch. I run git push, and that's it from my side. Everything from here happens automatically. GitHub Actions Pipeline. Over in GitHub Actions, you can see the pipeline kick off. It runs in 4 stages. First, it tests the app and validates the Terraform configuration. If that passes, it moves to building a fresh AMI with Packer. That's a complete machine image with Node.js and the app already installed. Terraform Apply. Once the image is built, Terraform takes over. It provisions the VPC, the load balancer, the auto-scaling group, the database, or updates them if they already exist, and always picks up the newest AMI automatically since it looks it up by tag. Instance refresh. The last stage is the one I'm most proud of. It triggers an instance refresh on the auto-scaling group, which gradually replaces the running servers with the new version, waiting for each one to pass its health check before moving to the next. 0 downtime, 0 manual steps. Inside AWS. Here's what it actually built: an application load balancer spread across 2 availability zones, EC2 instances behind it in an auto-scaling group, and a PostgreSQL database sitting in a private subnet, encrypted at rest, only reachable from the app itself. The live app. And here's the actual result: PulseWatch, live, running through that whole pipeline. I can add a URL to monitor, and a background worker checks it automatically, tracks uptime, and logs incidents the moment something goes down. Close. Every part of this, the networking, the database, the compute, the deployment, is defined entirely in code. No console clicking, fully repeatable, and genuinely rebuildable from scratch with one command. That's what I wanted to prove with this one.